Alright, pike number 1 here. This guy's pretty small, only about like probably 20 inches, 18, 20 inches. So we'll get this guy back in the water and hopefully we catch some bigger ones here. Alright, so here's a pike. This guy is better. Maybe pushing 24, 23, 24 on this guy. Pretty thick fish too. Pretty nice pike. Caught him off a real small minnow too, actually. So yeah, this guy's a nice fish, so we'll get him back in the water and hope for some even bigger ones. It's been a little while since I caught one. This guy's just a little guy, but it's getting kind of dark, so hopefully the fishing will pick up a little bit. So let's just get this guy back in the water real fast, and there he goes. Caught right here, Muskegon River. So here's another guy, about maybe 23 inches here. Not a bad fish, not bad at all. Yeah, let's get this guy back in the water. My hands are freezing cold, as you can see. He's eager to go. There he goes. And there, my dad just caught a decent pike. Looks like he's unhooking it right now. I don't know how big it is. Looks to be about 24 inches. So yeah, hopefully we catch some more fish. You can't really see the fish too well, but oh well. Oh, there he goes. Oh. He's gonna put it back. There he goes. Alright, so here's a good guy. This guy's about 24 inches. Nice and fat. Look at that. Fat pike. So, let us get the hook out of his mouth, and I will hopefully be back with some more fish. Here's a small guy next to some barbecue chips. Yeah, this guy's real small. Probably about 18 inches maybe, but yeah, I caught him off a very, very, very small minnow. Just a perch minnow, actually. One that you would use to catch panfish on, so we'll get this guy back in the water ASAP. Another smaller pike. It's getting pretty dark out here, so this guy needs to calm down. Get the hook out of this guy's mouth in a second. And another small pike. Alright, so it's a nice morning. Pretty cold, but otherwise pretty good. And I just started out the morning with a nice little hammer handle. Probably about maybe 21 inches, maybe less, maybe about 20 inches. So let's get this guy back in the water and see what else we can do. Alright guys, got one on. Try to see if I can do this. Shoot. Oh, he's back. I think it's a small pike because my bobber keeps going like halfway down. There he is. See him right here. There we go. Nice pike. Alright, I just caught this decent 20-inch pike. He's not too long, but he's pretty fat. We'll get this guy back in the water. I'll do an underwater release on this guy too. Here we go. There's a fish. It's kind of playing with my bobber, but He let go of it. I don't see him playing with it anymore. I'll get back to you guys. So my dad and I just got a double here. My dad's got one right there, and then I got one. You can see right there. We're getting back in the water. There we go. Oh, that's a fat one. Here's a pretty decent one. Pretty thick one, actually. Decent pike. Now this guy's been playing with me for a while. Finally I got him. Been putting up, been giving me a lot of trouble. Small guy, just a hammer handle, but yeah, fun to catch. You put up a good fight, so let's get this guy back in the water. Now here's a decent pike. This guy's pretty decent. This could be pushing 24, I'd say, probably close to that. Nice fish. Let's get him back in the water. Caught this pretty nice pike, 22 inches, but he's fat, all right. As you can see here, he's got a little gut on him. Put this guy back. He's going, and there's my dad reeling in, and he got me pretty good. I tried to gill him, and stupidly he got me, so just wipe this off and keep fishing.
Before you to tell a truth most dire, there lurks a traitor in our midst who hath invoked the captain